What's going on, guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. Today I'm going to share with you a real estate market update, and I'm going to share my screen and show you some stats to back up everything that I have to say. So really quickly, let me bring up a chart. This is for Toronto. It's from the Toronto Real Estate Board, and pretty much what I want to show you guys here, the key takeaways, is that this right here, the orange chart, the orange, I would say, wall or brick, is for the year 2020. And we had a really good start to the year. Every month, the real estate market activity got higher. But when COVID became a pandemic, we had a huge decrease in real estate activity. A lot of people took their houses off the market. A lot of people didn't want to buy. A lot of people couldn't qualify to buy because many people were temporarily laid off early COVID as well. And no one really knew what to do. But as everything kind of became normal, people got adjusted to it. The real estate market did pick up activity, and then it really hit record sales for the last month of July. And right now we're touching, record numbers in regards to real estate activity, and it's crazy. Let me share with you guys some numbers. Now, this right here is for the Durham region. A lot of you folks that follow me are from the Durham region, so I'm going to talk about Durham region numbers instead. And there's a lot of information to take from here, but here are the main key takeaways. There was 1,583 residential transactions. That's really just a number to you, but this is what you should take from this video. That was a 52% increase from this time last year. So in theory, the real estate market has picked up 50% more activity from this time last year. And that's crazy because everyone kind of anticipated, including myself, that COVID might even cause the real estate market and the economy to crash. And evidently enough, it's really not. It's just picking up activity. In the month of June, the average days on the market was 23 days. It took 23 days for the average house to sell. And in the month of July, it took 16 days to sell a house. So houses started selling a lot quicker because buyers are more aggressive in securing property. Guys, if you take nothing from this video, take this number right here. The average sale price of a house across the Durham region is now $709,000. And this is a record high. Never has an average house in the Durham region been worth this much. I remember when I started selling real estate, put in perspective for you guys many years ago, the average house price across the Durham region was shy of $500,000, and now it's shy of $710,000. That's crazy. And one last stat, guys, the city of Oshawa issued 96 building permits, a total worth of $82.5 million of new construction value. So if you're still sleeping on Oshawa, Oshawa has a lot more to offer. Oshawa is definitely ramped up. Inventory activity has more attractions now, but apparently they have a lot more coming. So guys, summarizing everything that I just shared with you guys, the real estate market is hot and it's picking up activity. Now, 30 days ago, it was a 100% seller's market. There was not enough inventory to meet the demand by the buyers. But stats do show that in the previous month, the inventory did rise. So when the houses were selling a month ago in like 20, 30 offers, now they sell with maybe 5 to 6 offers. So it's definitely a great time for you to think about buying, but it's also an equivalent great time for you to think about selling if you still are. You're going to have a bit more competition on the market because there will be more houses on the market. But if you do your best efforts in preparing the house for sale, to do the staging, the correct photography and marketing, then I'm very confident that you have no trouble selling your house in this market at all. If you have any more questions, just give me a message.